Maybe I should have laid down because I just couldn't see my head. Oh, that's gonna help. I'm coming. I wouldn't keep the RPG out. I know, but sometimes the RPG doesn't like come out. It doesn't register. You should try to do that thing that guy told you and do it on that wall. So you'll be kneeled down, but he won't be able to see you, and you'll be up though. You'll really be up. If you want to do it, I'm watching your back. Nice. Dude, I'm doing awful. We'll definitely go on my page if we win this, you know that, right? This, I have to admit, I've been getting better at it. Some games, no lie, it's like all out you. But some games I actually do hold my weight, or do good, like really good. I've never been the best at those, but I'm getting better at it.